Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you very quickly and easily how you can add a phone number into your Gmail accounts. So Gmail, being a primary connected service to Google, is basically the same as your Google account. So the phone number basically that you have in your Google account will be exactly the same in Gmail. So what we need to do, let us go to Google, sign in. Alright, wait for it to load up. Alright, so just press on sign in. And guys, as you can see, this is my name, Leroy Jenkins. How do you like that name? I think it's pretty cool. So guys, in here, everything is very simple. You go to security. In here, you basically need to change your two-step verification. For example, we have password, we have passkeys and stuff like that. Click on two-step verification, enter your password. Let me do that as well. Okay, and as you can see guys, in here we have your settings. So I will of course remove my phone number for the privacy purposes, but as you can see right here where we have a phone number, you have your phone number. So if you don't have one added, go here, and in here you can just add it. When you add your phone number for the first time, they will basically send you a confirmation code into your phone number. You insert it here into the website, you add your phone, and you can use this phone now for your security, two-step verification, and all of those shenanigans. Guys, thanks for watching. If this helped, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.